Plaza, 2013 Project of the Year. Sugar Wharf, also Project of the Year in 2018.
Wow.
These are all the handiwork of Menkes. Menkes, high rise, low rise. We get rewarded for it. So what is happening is that when you say Durham, Mississauga, all these other locations, again, previously I said, Barrie. I'm not saying they're not good. I'm saying, on the balance of things, why do you need to choose there when there's here?
Absolutely.
Why choose something that is in the future, that is 10, 15, because this subway, it is an overnight success that took 17 years.
Wow. Overnight success, folks. As you can see, this is one. One more thing over here. The builder. The builder. Menkes, ladies and gentlemen. What do you have to say about that, Johnson?
Menkes, this is your confidence. This is your goal. The gold standard. I mean, how many developers can we count on our hands that have their own in-house construction? Now, a lot of guys will say, hey, like all these builders, aren't they all the same? No, they're not all the same. Because when you are a builder and you don't have enough of a pipeline, enough of a diversified portfolio, you dare not hire seasons hotel residents.
Wow.
Okay, so I have a question. If somebody is living here in this Festival Condos, right? So he's working in downtown. How long is it going to take for him to go downtown if he takes
45
subway?
minutes.
Oh.
But we all know the new reality is that there will be some people that will go down to the office 4 days out of 5. But there will be a day